My name is Farid. I'm a project manager at Treeium. We're in the city of Costa Mesa, and this house is built in 1954, and we're about to change it entirely. So the project will include kitchen remodel, kitchen expansion. We're adding an island to the kitchen, expanding the master bathroom, and combining two of the rooms into one big room with a walk-in closet. With the help of our architects and our designers, we have designed the entire house and we're about to start building it. The house has been rented for a few decades and hasn't been updated since the original condition. For that reason, this is going to be a huge transformation.
My name is Sandra Paleo, and we are in Costa Mesa, California. I really liked Farid, and he was very friendly, and he was trustworthy and a good communicator, so that was very important to us. We wanted to have an open feel because the house was very dark and closed off, and so we wanted to be inviting to have family and friends over so we can cook and entertain.
We also help the client obtain high-quality material at lowest prices possible using our exceptional discounts for our big network of local vendors. This is a semi-custom kitchen with solid wood maple cabinets and a quartz countertop. We offer different accessories such as pull-out trays, spice racks, trash drawers, and a full-height pantry. We had the option of going with the quartz countertop for the backsplash or do tile, and this beautiful tile just happened to complete this kitchen. Our client had a very nice taste in choosing the tile for the bathrooms and the backsplash for the kitchen. The room we converted into a master bathroom and a walk-in closet had a very unique design that was done by our designers. The original house did not have any HVAC system, and they were in need of cooling and heating certain time of the year. So we designed and we installed the 4-ton HVAC unit to accommodate the heating and cooling in certain seasons. And to save space, we installed the HVAC system in the attic and put in an AC condenser in the backyard. This great quality luxury vinyl is waterproof and scratch proof and has a limited lifetime warranty for residential use. And it's becoming a popular option for many of the houses near the ocean.
I would recommend Treeium to friends and family. We already have.
Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.